Am I visible to you now?
Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Oh,
How are you?
yeah. I'm fine, ma'am. Good afternoon, you too. I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, yes, I'm doing good too. Thank you. Can't complain.
Okay. Ma'am, can I ask you one question that
Yes,
how can I
please go
start
ahead.
option? How can I start option of recording?
I have already started the recording, so it will be available in our chat, so you can
Okay.
watch it from there or you can save it from there as well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Myself Sonali, and I'm from Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in commerce, and now I'm searching for job.
Okay. Mhm. So tell me, did you stop only at graduation? Do you wish to study further?
Yeah, actually, I'm preparing for another course as well, which is CS course, professional course.
Mm.
It's like competitive examination.
Okay, right. So you have a YouTube channel as well?
Yeah, I have. Its name is Learn English with Sonali. Actually, I'm also learning English. But I want to practice, and that's why I thought that this is a best platform to practice here.
Mm. So how long has it been that you started YouTube?
I think that 3 to 4 months.
Okay, just 3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
So what are you uploading on your channel?
Like I now I'm making videos related to practicing to speak in English language. I take one topic and I speak in on that topic at least for 5 minutes.
Oh, okay, okay, wow. Mhm.
Yeah.
So any hobbies? What do you do during your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen songs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Who is your
And
favorite celebrity? Yeah, yeah. You have another hobby? Please complete.
yeah, uh, drawing.
Drawing. Okay, so you're an artist? Are you very good at it?
No, actually, I like to do it for myself only.
Okay, just out of passion, you like doing it.
Yeah.
Mm. So what kind of music do you listen to?
Like traditional music, old music, like of Lata Mangeshkar ji.
Okay, mainly Bollywood.
Yeah.
Mm. So who is your favorite celebrity?
Uh, in heroes there is Govinda.
Oh, okay.
He, yeah.
Mm. So who, according to you, is a celebrity?
According to me, uh, a
See, they need
person
not
who
only be only from movies or theater, right? You know, celebrity can be anybody who is famous. So, according to you,
okay,
who is a celebrity?
okay. According to me, a person who has done in that in his or her career uh, or in his or her life such a thing that which is helpful for other people and for him also, as well as he has done such a thing which is helpful for people uh, in lifetime.
Hmm.
I think
He
that
has done something helpful for everybody.
yeah,
Hmm. Yeah, and they have to be famous, basically, right? Only
yeah,
then you will know about them.
yeah, right.
Hmm. Hmm. So, according to this perspective, who is your favorite celebrity?
According to me, I think Sindhutai Sabka.
Sorry, who?
Sindhutai Sabka.
Okay. So, can you tell me a little about this person? Because I don't know. I think I have not heard about this person earlier.
Okay. Uh, Actually, a she had faced in her life a difficult situation. In that situation, her husband also did not accept her, let her
Okay.
thrown out of house, and she has uh, felt difficult, gone through difficult situation, and after that, she decided to live for other people who do not have any person in this world, like
Okay.
accepting such students, such persons, or such babies who do not have their mother. She has become a mother in her life
Okay.
for every person.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah. I think I've heard about this story earlier also. Maybe I was not
yeah.
able to recollect the name.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm. I heard that she has a lot of children. I mean the ones whom she has
Yeah.
adopted. Unwanted
Um,
babies. So yeah,
yeah.
that way. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Everyone calls her
Mm.
Mai, I think.
Okay. She belongs to Maharashtra?
Yeah, I think.
Mm.
Yeah, Maharashtra, I think.
Even you belong to Maharashtra? Sorry, I
Yeah.
forgot which place you are from. Maharashtra.
Um, Places?
Yeah, yeah. Where do you belong to in
Uh,
Maharashtra?
in Maharashtra, I live in Pune.
You live in Pune.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm. So born and brought up there?
Yeah, in Pune.
Mm. Okay. So do you travel anywhere at least? I mean, have you gone anywhere?
Uh, Actually, I do not go casually. If I have some work, I only then I go. Yeah.
Okay. So
If
not
I
for a
feel
trip or something.
if I feel that I feel like I want to go somewhere for spending some time, some quality time with myself, then only I go. Like in garden.
Okay. You go to garden.
Yeah.
But that is locally, right? In Pune itself.
Yeah.
Mm.
It
So
is a
outside
city,
of
Pune
Pune,
city. No,
yeah, outside of
outside.
Pune with your parents? Do you go out with your parents, your
Yeah.
friends?
Yeah, with my parents to village, our village.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any like leisure trip, like for visiting or some holiday?
No, not like
No?
that. But sometimes we visit to play like temple
Hmm.
which are famous
Religious
in
places you
Pune.
go?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
With my family, I
Right.
go.
Hmm. Right. So tell me about your family.
Yeah. I have one brother, my mother, and my father. We have four members in my family.
Okay. So that is basically a nuclear family, right? You belong to a nuclear
Yes.
family.
Yeah.
Would you like to talk about movies?
Movies. Okay. Uh,
Okay. So
I I like Marathi movies as well. Marathi, Hindi, like 90s
right.
movie. 90s
Hmm.
movie.
Old movies. Yeah, I
Yeah.
understood that when you said Govinda is your favorite hero.
Yeah. Yeah.
So which is your favorite film of Govinda?
My favorite film, Govinda. Actually, many films are there which I like to
All
watch.
the number one series, right? You know, he did this number one,
Yeah,
that number one. So series of
yeah,
movies.
yeah.
Mm.
Actually,
What do you like about Govinda?
I think he has also come from a middle class family. He has,
Yeah.
yeah, he has
Mm.
worked hard for achieving success in his life, and with that efforts, he has become hero in this field, like
Mm.
in this industry.
Mm.
Actually, there are
Right.
many
So,
heroes who have worked hard, but I think I like that hero.
right. So you like him as a person. You like him how he has grown, right?
Yeah,
So do you also like his acting and his dance? Do
yeah,
you like his style?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, I heard that he also adds something new. Try to add something new from his side while making, while acting in the in movies. I think.
Mm.
Actually, I heard in some
Mm.
reality shows about him.
And Govinda is not even his real name, right?
Yeah,
Something
I
else. His
think.
real name is
Yeah,
something else. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Mm. Right. So, I mean, suddenly his career came to a stop, right?
yeah.
So he was doing very good.
Yeah,
Mm.
actually, uh, in uh, in today's era, actually these kind of movies are not making by directors.
Yes.
Movies were made in 19th period, I think.
Yeah, mindset of people who were going to theaters and watching was different in the 90s compared to
Yeah,
what it
right.
is now.
Yeah, right.
Mm. Right. And you're quite confident. Is that does that confidence comes from shooting? Like you record yourself often, so that is the reason you're confident, or do you have sessions with people?
No, actually, this is the first time when I'm online speaking with someone. Actually, can I tell you about that? How I learned to speak in English language, because other students who are also facing problems, they will know.
Yes, definitely. I would love to. Go ahead.
Yeah, actually, in my family, there was not a single person who could speak in English language. But I also had this thing in my mind that I want to learn this language. I want to speak in this language. When I was in a college, I observed there that the students who were speaking in English language, they were speaking in English language, like Hindi and English, with the combination of two languages. They used to speak in this way. I observed this thing and started to apply this thing on myself. In my mind, I decided that I will create this kind of environment for myself, that I will start to think in English language only. At initial stage, I
Mm,
started to English language, and after that, I
mm,
replaced Hindi language with English language. And I
mm,
practiced by myself, only by myself. There was not a single person in my family.
mm. Right. So how did you th start thinking in English?
Actually, I think that every person has this habit that while thinking, that person talks to himself or herself. That's what I did. That decided that I will start to think only in this language, in English language, and after that I decided to replace this language. With the period of time, I did that.
Mm, successfully. So now your thoughts are totally generating in English?
Yeah, I mean that I do not. In now actually I do not all the time think in English language, because I think that this is only a language. Now I'm able to communicate with someone. Now I need not to think all the time in English language. Now I can
Mm,
easily think in English language.
mm. When required, your thoughts will start, automatically in
Yeah,
English. So you don't have to
yeah,
stress yourself to keep thinking English. You told that in your family there are not many people who speak in English, right? So how did you
yeah.
practice your speaking?
1 minute, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Actually, I received call. That's why
Okay.
disconnected. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Uh,
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, while practicing, what I did, I took a topic and I started
Mm,
to think on that topic. By myself, I was doing this. I did not have any
okay.
person, and I did not have that environment as well surrounding to me. Every
Mm,
person say that if we do not have that environment, then how we are going to speak in English language, how we are going to practice in English language. But I
mm,
created this environment for myself.
mm,
Yeah,
So you used to do everything like listening, reading, or
yeah.
did you do like
Yeah. Actually, at initial stage, what I did, I started to watch stories in English language, cartoon stories in English language, because I
mm,
thought that those stories were making in a simple manner, and they were related to our real life, and that's why
mm,
I thought that I should listen those stories. At
mm,
initial stage, I started from stories, English stories. Then I
okay,
started to watch English series, which were
okay.
available on YouTube.
Mm, mm,
Yeah, I think that there are a number of videos available on YouTube which we can refer. But the important thing is that the techniques which they are sharing in that video, in those videos, we have to apply those techniques on ourselves, because unless we do that, it is not going to happen that we are going to be fluent in English language.
yes, yes. Just watching a video will not help you enough. You have
Yeah,
to put it
actually,
into practice
yeah,
also.
right. Actually, I was also watching videos of many people, but I did not realize that. there is any change has come in myself, and that's why I decided that I have to adopt such kind of techniques so that it will be helpful for me to be fluent. As I said
Mm,
that I did not have any person to practice.
mm,
Then what I
mm,
did that I was practicing by myself. But whenever I got opportunity, I did not leave that opportunity to speak with someone in English language. Yeah,
mm.
that is important.
Yes.
Actually, sometimes people feel like if I speak in incorrect English, someone will laugh at me, and that's why we
Mm.
stop there. And that is wrong. It should not be
Hesitation.
happen. Yeah,
Mm. Because unless you start speaking, it doesn't matter even broken, but unless you start speaking, you will never improve.
yeah, right.
Mm. Okay, so anything else you want to share, or we could end the session?
In this session, ma'am, this is the important thing which I wanted to share that by yourself you can learn English to speak in English language at your home. That too at your home. You need not to
Yes.
have someone because there is no person who is going to come with whom you are going to practice. It is not going to happen. Actually, I
Yes.
also did the same thing that I started to practice by myself. And that's why if you
Mm.
want to learn to speak in English language, then you have to start by yourself.
Nobody's going to be with you all the time.
Yeah, right. That is the truth, my ma'am. No one is going to come. I have
100% it
realized
is
that.
true.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And you did a good job. Your English is very good. And
Yeah,
keep
actually, I
continuing this practice.
yeah. Actually, now I was good at grammar, but was not able to speak in English language. I thought on this that why it is happening to me, and after that I decided to adopt such kind of techniques, and that's we
Yes.
need to do consistently. We have to do that because at in one
Mm.
day it is not going to change.
Right. And even after you think that you have become fluent, even then you cannot stop your practice because
Yeah.
your level of English will come down. You need to keep practicing continuously.
Yeah, I think that right now I'm able to speak someone with in English language. Uh, I, at initial, at now I think that I have to focus on vocabulary. I need to focus on vocabulary because sometimes we do not get words while speaking, and
Sometimes
that
you're
is
getting
important.
stuck.
No, I
Mm.
did not stuck, but I think that there are different kind of vocabulary words in vocabulary. We should know about those words, and right now I think that I should focus on vocabulary so that I can learn new words while speaking in English language.
You want to expand your vocabulary.
Yeah, now I'm able to speak with anyone, but I think I should focus on vocabulary, and that's what I'm doing. Yeah,
Okay. Good luck, good luck. Good luck for your journey.
thank you, ma'am. Yeah, I think that I have learned by myself to speak, so I should share with those learners who are facing such kind of problem.
Sure, definitely. I hope so people will get to learn. Like from whatever tips you have given, I hope it will help them as well.
Yeah,
Mhm. Okay, then nice talking to you. I got
yeah,
another session to attend.
yeah,
So thank you for joining me today.
yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me your precious time. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.